Grace of the deep, a stingray's silent dance. Beneath the waves, where silence sings, a shadow glides. It isn't flying, it's floating, freed by the sea. Wings like whispers, body like silk, power hidden in stillness. The stingray circles, not lost, but in rhythm. Every curve a story, every flick a choice, every movement sacred. Above, the waves roar. Below, peace reigns. Two worlds, one ocean. Blue light dances on a velvet back, nature's brushstroke. No need to race, no need to rush. Flow finds its own time. Predators? Maybe, but fear is foreign here. It's not just swimming, it's knowing the sea, owning the silence. Each turn, art. Each ripple, music. Each pause, meaning. We chase peace. It lives here, hidden in motion. No audience, no applause. Still, the performance never ends. In the shadows, it teaches. You don't need to be loud to be strong. Salt water flows through every thought. The ocean dreams in waves. You don't see it coming. You don't hear it leave. That's the magic. It circles again, not trapped, but free. We name it Stingray, but here, it's spirit. Let the world spin. It will still glide, effortless. Grace is not just beauty. It's mastery in motion. And sometimes, it swims.